Hey, what's up? I'm Enrique. Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate venting, and he's got like an egg hat on this one. I'm going to be using this. This is a Crayola brand marker, and the paper I'm going to be using is simple computer paper. This is going to be for beginners, and I'm going to do this step by step. You can either watch, you can watch the whole thing, or you can, participate and do it along with me. So, let me start. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the hat, the egg hat itself. Well, not really. I'm going to draw a curved line here for the top of the visor of the crewmate. Going to curve over here on this side to the front. So it's going to be looking that way. So Among Us is a really cool game. If you don't already know what it is, I'm sure you clicked on it because you know what it is. But Among Us is a great computer slash phone game. You're trying to figure out who the, I guess, alien and or imposter is that's on the spaceship. So curve line down here. Now I'm going to curve up. So this shape right here looks like a pillow shape to me. I like to think of things as simple shapes so that you can draw them later on. So you memorize them easier. So a few months from now, I'm going to think back to this and it's going to be like, oh, a pillow, as opposed to, bloated triangle or a square. Gonna pull up actually for the forehead. Really short forehead. Straight line over here. Curve up. Pulling back. Drawing that egg hat. It's gonna go down right here like this kind of U shape. Pull out here, up. Around this area, I'm gonna draw the top of the egg. So it's gonna be a ball here. And I'm gonna draw a curved line over here below it to kind of show the yolk at the top of that. All right, next thing, I'm going to draw the front of the body. Over here. Draw the back, so it's a slightly curved line, but mostly straight down, because he'd be sticking his head out of that vent. Alrighty. I'm going to go over here and draw the bottom of the vent first. So I'm going to draw a line over here, like it's a slightly angled line downward, which is straight. Going to go over here and draw an angle out this way for the other side of the vent, the part of the floor. Alright. And then I'm going to go from here over there as well. So this line's going to be parallel to this line. Okay? We're almost done, so don't worry. These are very quick, I think. It's just teaching them, right? Will take like 10 minutes, but I'm gonna go over here and pull this line all the way down. It's kind of, meeting up to the edge. Doesn't really matter if it meets there. It can meet over here. Gonna go over here. So halfway in this pillow shape, right? Halfway. Like let's say hover your marker or pencil. I'm gonna slide my marker over there and mark it. So the top of the backpack is roughly about halfway in that over that viewport or that vid window. The window, I'm not sure. I'm gonna curve a line down here for the backpack. Simple curves. So I want you to keep clean. That's the thing. When you keep your shapes clean, it's a lot better, and it looks generally just more attractive of a photo. All right, so over here, I'm going to imagine, let me just draw a line here like so. It's going to be same angle as this one down here. See the one down here? Same angle over for that little bit there showing. Going to fill in the negative space over here. because it's kind of coming out of a poking out of a vent. All right. And we're gonna we're gonna draw the upper part of the vent. So I'm gonna start on this side. We start over here, angled. Draw as straight a line as you can. These lines don't have to be super straight, but straight enough. Gonna go over here on this side. Imagine where it's gonna be on this side, and I'm gonna try to copy the angle of this one right here. I'm gonna copy the angle here over here. So I'm gonna just approximate. It doesn't have to be exact, but where would that be coming out from? Probably right here. Okay. Curve line over here just a bit, and I'm going to pull the line back, and I'm going to pull it back from here to here is going to be parallel to this line. All right, as close as I can. Alrighty. I'll draw a line for the vent itself, and you get two choices with the actual holes on the vent. You can draw just a line like that, or you can give it a little bit of depth. See, a little bit. It looks like a I don't know, chicken strip or something. I'm not sure. Just like a little strip of paper, it looks like. But I mean, obviously these are holes. Alrighty. And that's it. That is literally it. That's the entire thing. That should be, relatively simple. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If you did enjoy this, don't forget we have the Among Us playlist. Go check out that playlist if you have not. It is in the description. But yeah, that is it. Also, I have hour-long lessons on Skillshare. And there's a whole lot of cool stuff I'm adding to the site here, or the channel. I have the website. I haven't really added much to the website, but I'm planning on adding a lot of stuff to the easypicturestodrawcom website. So go check that out. I'm always putting stuff up there. And that is it. Talk to you later, and I will see you very, very soon. This has been Enrique. And like I said, this has been Easy Pictures to Draw. Say hi to me, by the way, if you can hear my voice right now. And let me know your favorite crewmate or your favorite color that you choose for crewmate. Talk to you later.